played the air of an ashling, and the ashling is often translated into English as dream vision. So it's about that kind of dialogue between the world in which we inhabit and the other world, the world of the spirit, of the word, of knowledge, of light.
Shing the love go fiachan jan me huri horo pulas na viehuko.
Genech bas colum chile is Gaels mór nGael. Chanan gunis taineil gabosnich un aich ach mór chui mór chrech krachach ri arish. Colum gun vehe gun chil Kemen rigis gleiche fius nera fai ye a chure an a siena jes nishe mara.
Noel na chower me